A sneezing smartphone walks through a busy office, its screen flashing as punchlines hit the room. Whenever someone delivers a joke, the device erupts in a dramatic sneeze, rattling papers and startling coworkers. The team tries to control the chaos with tissues, apps, and a ridiculous sneeze counter that somehow becomes a hit. By the end, the phone hosts an impromptu stand-up, its sneezes perfectly timed as the crowd roars in playful disbelief. The gadget proves that even a gadget can steal the show with a single ridiculous sneeze.